Artists, miss you guys. We still got some work to do, some fun stuff. It's not going to be super hard. Glad that you guys learned about how to use the graphic design software because we're going to use a lot of that for the remainder of the year. Okay, so go to Photopea. Once you get there, click on it. Google search it. Go to online photo editor. Either one of them. If it freezes, like this time it didn't pop up. Remember, this is a online software, so sometimes you have to just go back and redo it. And that time it worked. So don't be alarmed if it didn't happen the first time. Sometimes it just takes time to load it up. Okay. So what I want you to work on is a political piece. You can do it any type of way that you want to. So go to New Project, go to Create, and you're gonna have this blank canvas. Okay. So we've learned a lot of different things in our class. With this first project, you can use any of the different things that you've learned, the typing tools, the importing pictures, any of that stuff that you know. But I just want you to create a political pitch artwork that represents something that's important to you. Okay, so I believe in the example I use. There's a big political issue going on. Should people be able to carry a certain type of firearm, or should they not be able to? So you could like voice your opinion. Yes, they should. No, they can't. Whatever you feel like, you can do it with words. You can do it with pictures. However you choose to do it. Okay. So everybody that's new to it, this is what I want you to do. These steps. Okay. So I want you to go to Google search and find whatever topic you want and save any political type of picture. It could be like a photography of the president, or it could be like an artwork. Whatever you come up with for this first project is fine. Okay. So after you find your picture, I want you to go to File. I want you to go to Open in Place. And then I want you to go to wherever you have your picture. So right now I already have it saved. I believe it was right here. So at this point, you would already have saved this like on your desktop or whatever, or in your documents. And this was the picture that I used. This is an example of a political picture. Okay. So that's pretty much it. Once you get it in there, what I want you to work on doing is you're going to do something called rasterizing it. What that's going to do is going to allow you to cut or manipulate the picture however you want to. So if I wanted to cut these pieces out, I'm gonna try to cut it out, a piece out right quick. I go to my lasso tool. Let's say I just wanted to cut all that stuff off around the edges. Sometimes I might not be able to do it. Notice how I said object must first be rasterized. I'm gonna try to delete it again. Smart object must be rasterized. Whenever you get a picture of somebody else, or like you took a picture of yourself, it kind of protects it, but it's easy to get around that. All you have to do is go to layers, I believe, and it says rasterize right there. Once you rasterize it, now I will be able to manipulate it. If I wanted to cut a piece out, I do that, circle it, and then go to delete. All right, so basically that's one of the ways you can do stuff. Just chop away at it however you want to, but you don't have to chop it away, okay? I can go back in my history. Maybe that's not what I want to do. You might want to do something just really simple. Instead of doing hope, you might want to change the word or put different words over here. So I might decide to go to letters and type something still, and then I might change the lettering and do some of the things we learned. I'm not going to go into a lot of detail right now because this first project is going to be really simple. Okay. But yeah, that's how I would do it. Alrighty. So I'll be in contact with you where you can send me messages. And once I'm done with it, let me get done with it. So I still hope. The project's that simple. Now, if you want to add more to it, feel free to have fun with it like always. But you're just going to manipulate and make some type of statement, okay, with your artwork. And that's pretty much it for this first project. Take a picture in, rasterize it so you can manipulate it, and that's all I'm looking for. Some type of political picture. All right? Cool, man. I look forward to working with y'all online.